Hey guys, welcome back. It's time for math. Welcome back. It's time for math. All right. So, in this lesson, we shall learn about multiples of numbers. Multiples of numbers. All right, multiples of numbers. Do you still remember your multiplication table? We shall see. Multiplication table. Okay, so expectations. Say the multiplication tables of numbers correctly and find the multiples of any given number. Find the multiples of any given number. Mind you, our topic for today is multiples of numbers. Okay. Then what is multiples? A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. I take it again. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. E.g., let's see the multiples of 3. That simply means you will multiply your 3 with any number and your answer gives you the multiples. Isn't that easy? Now let's check. 3 times 1 gives 3. 3 times 2 gives 6. And 3 times 3 gives what? 9. Now if I may ask, what are the multiples of this very 3? Did you say all this? All these answers are the multiples of what? 3. And that is the reason I said that a multiple of a number is a product. When we say product, means what? You multiply, obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any number. Okay. When a number is continually multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till infinity, yes, we get multiples of that number. It is also known as skip count. Can you skip count? Yes, you can. Now, here are points for you to remember. We get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other number, starting with 1. Multiples of 2, you have to start with 1. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. Just like that, like that. So we can then say the multiples of 2 from here are 2, 4, 6, 8. What do you think the next multiple will be? If you multiply 2 by 5, what's that going to give you? Yes, did you say 10? Yes, you have 10. And that's the reason I said many more. Many more. So if you want to get series of multiple, you have to start by multiplying with 1 and you go like that, like that, like that. You go on and on and on and on and on. Okay? Second point to remember, the multiples of a number is a set of numbers that does not end. They do not have any end. Now, if I want to do skip count of 2, I'll say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Just like that. It goes without no end. Number 3, multiples make numbers bigger in any series. Can you see this? Let's look at these multiples of 10. You have 10. It increased to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The next number should be what? 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, etc. Okay. More examples. Basically, when you're looking for multiples or when you're finding multiples of any given number, you just have to what? Multiply. You have to multiply, or you do a repeated addition of that number. Mind you, multiplication is also known as what? A repeated addition. Okay, let's look at this example. Find the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. You have 1. I am going to use the multiplication table method. So 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. Mind you, the first 5 multiples. So you got to stop at 5. Therefore, the first 5 multiples of 4 are, you pick all the answers. They are called the multiples. So you have 4 as the first answer. You have 8. You have 12, 16, and 20. That is the first 5 multiples of 4. Okay, let's look at another example. 5, using the multiplication table method. And that is the reason I asked, do you still remember your multiplication table? If you do, then you find this fabulous. Now let's go. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. Therefore, the first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That is the first 5 multiples. You can be asked to give out the first 10, 20, or 10 multiples of any given number. All it needs you to do is what you keep multiplying until you get to the numbers that you're being given to provide the multiples. Do not forget that it's also you can do a skip count. Now here is an evaluation for you. Find the first 7 multiples of the following number: 6, 8, 12, 7, and 9. I am sure that you've learned how to use your multiplication table to find multiples of any given number. Okay, do not forget that we get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other numbers starting with 1, and 2. The multiples of any number is a set of numbers that does not end, and 3. Multiple make number bigger in a series. All right, that brings us to the end of this beautiful lesson. Until next time, bye, Mrs. Okpoluwa cares.